Ty's acceptance of responsibility, his plea of guilty, and his cooperation was well written, and I think it expresses, I think we all share to some extent a concern with where America is in 2021, and, which is to say a fractured country where we can't even agree on, we can't agree to disagree. We don't listen to each other, and quite frankly, it creates a situation where, unfortunately, a good person from a great family like Ty Garbin stood in front of a federal judge today, and it's a victory for him to have gotten 6 years. Finding a sentence that is sufficient but not greater than necessary, that is the legal terminology, and that's exactly what happened today. The judge did just that.
Well, what he can do is tell what was in his mind at the time, which is that this wasn't some fanciful plot, this was real. And he can tell the government why he believes other people had the same intent that he did, and show them where to look.
And in addition to that, by the way, I think the government does a very good job of pointing out that Ty fills in the blanks. There were times when there wasn't a confidential informant. There were times when there wasn't enough cover. And Ty did a great job in all of his cooperation by now up to this point.
Because frankly, Ty accepted responsibility so quickly, we didn't have to go down all those rabbit holes.
And we don't know what the other lawyers are seeing, and like Gary said, I mean, they deserve a fair trial, okay? They may be seeing things that the confidential informants or the undercovers, were doing, and they filed motions, and Judge Yonker, I'm sure, will give them their day in court and give them a fair hearing on those motions. Our focus is not on those guys. Our focus is on Ty and his family. Whether or not Gary and I are happy, and look, we enjoy working together, we work well together, and it's always a professional challenge to work with a lawyer as talented and as hardworking as Gary, okay? But more important, how we feel about it, Ty's family is extremely satisfied, and they thank all the parties involved. They were very, very generous in their gratitude towards us, but even more importantly, as Gary said, the U.S. Attorney's Office, to Judge Yonker, to the probation department. This, as Gary said, is truly a victory for the criminal justice system. The right thing happened today, and the family recognized